Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our fourth lesson in RE, focusing on belonging. Today, we're going to actually have a look at a real baptism. Now, there are two ways of doing this. There are two parts of a baptism to watch, which are uploaded onto Teams, and there's also this YouTube clip, which shows the real life baptism in America. Again, all of these are Catholic, so it's quite important that if you are to look at something different, you find something that is a Catholic baptism, because they are a little bit different from other Church of England and other church baptisms. So here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to watch the first part of the video, or watch this YouTube clip here, and then we're going to talk about the key elements of a baptism. Now, if you as a family have been to a baptism, and you can discuss that, or if you've got a video of your own baptism, or you've got photos from your own baptism, it would be great to talk about that as well. Okay, so once you've watched the videos, start the lesson again. So there are some key elements we are looking at. Baptism is the first sacrament. We talked about this last time. So this is the first of 7 sacraments that happen in the life of a Catholic. And the first key part is telling the priest what the child is going to be called. So he's baptized in that name. And in this case, in this example, the name's Joseph, but you will have had a different name probably. Then the next key part is when everybody listens to the good news of God's love, and we listen to the Bible. The priest will pray for the baby's family and friends to help raise the child, and then the priest will pray that the baby will be strong in love as Jesus did. Then the next key part is in the second video. So you may want to watch that video now. And then we've got a few questions we'd like you to think about. So what does the priest ask a parent at the beginning of the baptism ceremony? Just tell your grown-ups if you can remember. That's right, what the name of the child is. What does everyone listen to at a baptism? That's right, the Bible, the good news of Jesus. Why do you think good news of God's love is read at baptism? Brilliant, because this is a new light being brought into the world. You are going to be raised to follow Jesus. And then what are the words that the priest uses when he baptizes someone? Brilliant. It's written up here so we can read it together. I baptize you in the name of the Holy Spirit, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And then there's various other things. So what we're going to do, what you need to do, and you can either use the sheet or you can just draw 3 pictures showing the key parts of the baptism. So those key parts are the naming, reading from the Bible, and the baptism itself. And what we identified in class, we did some pictures to help you. So that's I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And then what we identified when what we had to go at drawing was this picture here. The baby's given a name. You can copy that underneath, but the key word there I want you to make sure you put is name. Priest reads from the Bible. Now, a lot of people drew the Bible rather than the priest and the Bible because he is quite challenging. And again, the key word here, you can copy all of that, or you can go with the key word, which is Bible. And then this last part is when the baby is being baptized. And if you can copy that whole sentence, or at least that key word, that would be brilliant. Okay, and that is all there is to today's lesson. I'm sure you'll do brilliantly.